አንገትህን ቁርጬ ማለት ነው ወደኋላ ነበር እንደዚህ ጥምጥም።
ይህ ሰውዬ ልክ ያቺ ቁርአን ቀዳ እንደታይዝው ሰውዬ
ታርዶ አይደለም ተተኩሶበት ነው። በነገራችን ላይ ተተኩሶበት ነው የሞተው። የገደለው ራሱ የተኮሰበት ሰውዬ ሰለምቴ ነው። ከክርስትና ወደ እስልምና የመጣ ሰውዬ ነው የተኮሰበት።
የግለሰብ ግን በነፃነት አይኖራት እንደው እየተሸማቀቀ ይኖራታል እንጂ
ልትፈሩ ትችላላችሁ በገዳይነታችሁ። ግን ዲስማች ስጋን ስለሆነ የምትገሉት ነፍስን መግደል ስለማችሉ
the difference between Jesus and Muhammad.
You cannot compare Jesus with Muhammad. Jesus never killed a person. He never killed an apostate. He never waged a war. So he was a role model for me. That's why I loved Muhammad and I wanted to follow Jesus. When I studied the life of Muhammad, in 10 years, he waged 83 wars in 10 years. Muhammad, he had many wives, 11 of them. One of them, she was 9 years old. He was 53. I am 50. I cannot marry a girl that has 9 years old. He killed the whole family of a newly bride called Safiya. And he took her as a wife the same time he was returning to Medina. Would you put that as a role model for me today in the 21st century?